Glass fiber reinforced concrete, or GFRC, is a versatile building material. It is strong, durable, and, well, it looks great. GFRC is growing in popularity in modern construction. It is made with cement, sand, water, and glass fibers. The fibers make it extra strong. GFRC can be molded into complex shapes, making it perfect for unique designs. GFRC is also lightweight, which makes it easier to transport and install than traditional concrete. Architects and builders like GFRC for its many benefits. It is a sustainable and cost-effective choice for various projects. The spray method is a popular way to apply GFRC. It involves spraying a mix of GFRC materials onto a mold. Here's a step-by-step guide to the process. First, a mold is created. This mold is an exact replica of the final design. It can be made from various materials like wood, foam, or fiberglass. Next, the GFRC mix is prepared using precise proportions of cement, sand, water, glass fibers, and admixtures. Then the GFRC mix is pumped through a specialized hose, and a nozzle sprays the mix onto the mold. Workers use rollers or trowels to compact the sprayed GFRC. This ensures a dense and strong final product. The GFRC is then allowed to cure for a specific period, gaining strength over time. The GFRC spray method offers several advantages. GFRC is incredibly strong for its weight. The glass fibers add significant strength to the concrete. GFRC is highly resistant to weathering, fire, and impacts. It can withstand harsh environments. The spray method allows for intricate designs and complex shapes because the GFRC mix can conform to any mold. GFRC is a sustainable building material. It uses less cement than traditional concrete, reducing its carbon footprint. It is also recyclable. GFRC is used in a wide range of construction projects. GFRC is ideal for creating lightweight, durable, and aesthetically pleasing facade panels for buildings. Architects use GFRC to create decorative elements like columns, cornices, and domes. GFRC is used to create planters, sculptures, and other landscaping features that can withstand the elements. GFRC offers a unique combination of strength, durability, design flexibility, and environmental benefits. It's an excellent choice for architects, builders, and anyone looking for innovative building solutions. Consider GFRC for your next construction project and experience its many advantages.